Student, let us start with the third model, that is a symmetrical component. In a symmetrical component, we are just making just dividing into number of parts like positive, negative, and zero sequences. So, what happen if you see a balanced network? If you consider a balanced network, it consists of a three. It consists of a three things, that is balanced. And one is RYB, and if you see the YRYB, they have been divided into a phase angle. If you see this one, they have been see for this R, and this is Y, and this is B. This is a balanced uh, phase. This is a balanced phase, and it is having 120-degree apart. This all are 120-degree in the magnitude. The magnitude also is the same in from R to Y, Y to B, and B to R. It is the same 120 displacement is there, and their sequence also it is the same. It is in the clockwise direction. It is in the clockwise direction. This is completely a balanced network. It is called as a balanced network. So we are going to split this one into a unbalanced and zero sequences. So what happen when a unbalanced network has some problems, anything changes take places, then it splits into number of things. It splits into positive, negative, and zero sequences. Positive sequence is a same. It is a same as a balanced network. So let us go with this one. See, this is a first sequence, a balanced network, a three-phase balance system. See, this is a positive sequence component. The second comes a negative sequence component and the zero sequence component. Now, let me explain this. What is a positive sequence component? Okay, this is this you see a positive sequence component. In a positive sequence component, this is displaced properly. It is having 120-degree. This is having 120-degree. This is having 120-degree, and this is having 120-degree displacement. It is having the same displacement, phase also same, sequence also same, and it starts from this is va1, vb1, and vc1. So one is given for the positive sequence, one is given for the positive sequence. You can see this particularly one, this is given for the positive sequence. It is given for the positive sequence. Here what happens, va1, it moves in this one clockwise direction. It moves in clockwise direction, this direction it moves, that is va1, vb1, and vc1, and the displacement is the same 120-degree, 120-degree, 120-degree. So this is a positive sequence. The next we will go with the negative sequence. This is negative sequence. Okay, you can see this is a negative sequence. So this is a negative sequence. In the negative sequence, we can see that the displacement, it is also same 120-degree. It is also 120-degree, and this also is a 120-degree displacement. It is a there. It is the same. It is 120-degree. But if you see, it is moves in the clockwise, anti-clockwise direction in negative sequence. VA2, VB2, and VC2. It moves in this direction. It moves in this direction. So it is in anti-clockwise direction. It is in anti-clockwise direction. So it is called as a negative sequence. Here zero sequence. Here this is a zero sequence. In this zero sequence, it doesn't have any displacement. Displacement is a zero, and the movement, or we call it as a phase sequence. Phase sequence also is not there, but phase sequence also it is a not there. It is having equal magnitude with a zero displacement. It is having equal magnitude. This is va0, vb0, vc0. It is having it is named as zero for zero sequence, but displacement is zero. So if you see, this is a positive sequence, this is a negative sequence, and this is a zero sequence. For positive sequence we have considered 1, for negative sequence we have considered 2, and for zero sequence we have considered 0. And this is phase, we can say phase sequence. If we say the sequence, it is like this is a clockwise direction. It goes in clockwise direction. It goes in clockwise direction. It goes in like this. It goes like this, and it is in clockwise direction. If you see, it is in anti-clockwise direction. This is in anti-clockwise direction. For negative sequence, it is in anti-clockwise direction. For zero sequence, there is no magnitude and there is no phase sequence. So this component is split in this way: VA, VB, and VC. VA is nothing, VA1 that is positive, VA2 negative, and zero sequence, VA0. VB, VB1, VB2, VB0. VB1, this is a positive, this is a VB2 negative, and this is VB0 is zero sequence. VC, VC1 plus VC2 plus VC0 means this is positive voltage of positive sequence, negative sequence, and zero sequence. Now we will go with the operator. This operator is nothing but it is represented A. It is represented as a. You can see here the A is mentioned is designated as A 120 degree. Means what happened? These are the phasor. This is a phasor. Okay. This is VA1. Okay. This is VA2, and this is a VA3. This is a given like this. So it is a movement from here, or we can take this as a VB or this as a VC for our simplification. This movement from VA, this movement from this one VA1 to VAB. See, if you see, this is 120 degree. Okay, this also is 120 degree. So from VA1, VA to VB is, this is 120, this is nothing but A operator. It is 1 is to 120, moment is 120. So we are moving from VAB to VAC, so the moment we take from here twice. So this V, this becomes A square twice, this A and this A. So this is 1 to 40 degree, and from here it again moves to 360, that is A cube, that is 1 360. So 120, 120 it is 240, again this is 120, it is 360, that is J operator. See, from previous equation, from previous study, we got this equation: VA is equal to V1, VA1 plus VA2 plus VA0, and VB is equal to VB1, VB2 plus VB0. VC is equal to VC1 plus VC2 plus VC0. This is the equation we got. Now this, we know this is a positive sequence. This is a positive sequence. The phase sequence is in this direction. Okay, VA1, VB1, VC1. This all are presented in this one. So this is a negative sequence. In negative sequence, we got in this direction. The sequence is in this direction. So this is VAB, VA2, VB2, VC, and this is a zero sequence. Now I will convert this all things. Okay, this I will make VB1. What is the VB1? The moment of VB1 and VA1. This equation I have to write. Okay, VB1, VA1. Where is VB1? Sorry, VA1 and VB1. Where is VA1? This is VA1. Where is VB1? It is here. So what is the moment? It is a moving in this direction. This is a moving in this direction. What is this one? It is a first. So in this one, what is this? It is VB1 and VA1. So this here it is VA1 and VB1. How it is moving? It is moving in a clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. What is the difference? It is difference of only A. So A VA1. This is there. Now this one, if you see VC1, VC1 is equal to A square VA1. Okay. This is how it is moving. What is the difference? What is the relation between this one? VC1, VA1. So the relation, this is VA1, and this is a VC1. So it is moving in clockwise. This is A, and another one it is A, another one it is A. So it is A square VC1. It is nothing but A square VA1. So next, for this VB2 and VA2, the relation between this one. Okay, the relation between this one, VB2 and is equal to A VA2. So where is the VB2? Here is VB2. Where is the VA1? This is VA2. This is a VA2. So how it is moving? It is moving in this direction for negative sequence. So what is the difference? Only A. The difference between this one, the relation between this is A. So I have put the A. Now VC, okay, VC to VA to VC to VC2, this is VC2 and VA2 for this one. So what is the issue? It moves from here VA2 to it moves a another A. So it moves till here. So it is A square VA2. So now zero sequence, it doesn't have any phase displacement. So VB0 is equal to VA0, VC0 is equal to VA0. So now this I am going to substitute in this one. I am going to substitute in this one. Substitute. I am going to substitute all these values in this one. You can see here. You can see in the next. Now you can see this one. You have after substituting, I got this value. After substituting all this value in previous equation, I have got this value, that is VA1 is equal to VA1 plus VA2 plus V0 VB, all values I have substitute and I got this value. So I'll put this vector form VA VB VC VA VB VB VC. So coefficient of this 1 1 1 1 1 1 A square A this I will put in this one. So this is A square 1 A square. So I'll put all this value. This comes 1 1. This is A square. Okay, A square. This is A value, A square value. For this, if you put all this value, we'll get this value 1 1. I'm going to, you have to remove this one VA1 V1 VB, this all values. I'm going to get all these values only. This also is 1. This is A and this is A square. A square. So I will substitute. This is VA01 VA1 VA2. I got this value, and this value A is equal to, I have to take the A coefficient. This is the A coefficient in this one. A coefficient is 1 1 I get. Then I have to A raised to inverse 1, I get 1 upon 3 this value. Again when I substitute, I am going to get, I have to substitute in this value. So this one I have to substitute here this value in this one. So I get this value va0 va0 va1 va2 1 upon 3 this value. So I will multiply this all. I will multiply. After multiplication, this is the equation I got. I got this equation. Va0 0 is equal to 1 upon 3 Va plus Vb plus Vc. Va1 is equal to 1 upon 3 Va plus A Vb plus A square Vc. Va2 is equal to 1 upon 3 Va plus A square Vb plus Ac. This is the value I am going to get for this one. Actually it is in the same form, that is Va is equal to Va1 plus Va2 plus Va0. Same it is, this one is equal to same, it is actually it is the same. And here this one we are converting, or this one we are converting in the matrix form. So this actually it comes in the same form. This is the same form. Okay, Va1 Va2 V plus 0 A square A and A square. This converts into matrix form. This comes in a matrix form. So this is in voltage. Okay, this is the correct. Okay, this is actually correct. This is actually correct. I have changed this one. Don't refer this one. Okay, don't refer this one. Don't refer this one. It is changed. It is the same. This what is there, it is the same, but we are converting into a matrix form. This is a method, one step they have missed, they have removed one step. So we are converting this into a matrix form. This we have to use va1 plus va2 plus v0. A square is there, a this 0 a plus a square, this is we have to place in matrix form. So when we change into matrix form, the entire matrix this changes, this matrix changes. Now this is in the voltage form, this is on the voltage form, and here also we have got this in the voltage form. So I want to convert this into this, I want to convert this into current form. So just in place of v, in place of v you can put I, in place of v you can put I, like this. If you put in place of this I, so we have to put in place of v, I have put I, this is I. Okay, so for this also, if you see this also, if you see this also, this also I have placed here. I have in place of v I have taken I for this one value. So one note is there. So this is actually second step, two steps they are missing. We have to use this one. This is the correct form I have used in this one. Okay, I have used in this. I have written once again here. It is the same. This also is the same. This also is same. No changes here. No changes required because directly they have converted into matrix form. They have converted in matrix form. We have to use this only. Okay. This should not change. Should not be changed. We can use this. Use this.